The Sariaya local government eyes faster economic growth this year as it continuously recovers from the pandemic. Mayor Marcelo Galleta says this is also due to Sariaya's improving employment situation and economy with the help of the private sector, like San Miguel Corporation or SMC.
Kapag may trabaho na yung mga kababayan ko, di na nila kailangan ng ayuda sa bayan ng Sariaya. Dahil pare-pareho din silang may trabaho.
In a graduation ceremony in Barangay Castañas, over 50 residents finished their skills training on shielded metal arc welding and heavy equipment operation.
Ngayon mas makakahanap na ako ng trabaho, magagamit ko siya para mas madaling makuha ng gusto ko maging trabaho at matutulungan ko na rin yung pamilya ko.
Yung certificate na ito, igagamitin ko sa pag-apply ng trabaho na dito sa lokal o maging sa ibang bansa.
There were also graduates of alternative learning system in elementary and high school, as well as college scholars, like married couple Belinda and Manolito.
Kala ko po ay ito ay sa pangarap ko lang dahil ako ay hindi nakatapos sa elementary. Ngayon po pala na ipagpatuloy ko dito hanggang high school pa. Ang pangarap ko lang po naman ay magkaroon ako ng medyo magandang trabaho.
Livelihood opportunities were also offered at a job fair which featured local partner contractors and subsidiaries of SMC. Job offers include work as welders, heavy equipment operators, construction workers, carpenters, farmers, and food industry workers. Free houses and lots were awarded to those being relocated to give way to the construction of SMC's integrated food complex in South Luzon, particularly in Sariaya.
Hindi lamang po libreng bahay sa isang maayos at safe na lugar, kundi libreng lupa, may mga amenities po dito. At pagkatapos noon, sabi natin sa kanila, kayo ay kailangang magsanay para sa mga trabahong kakailanganin po ng ilalagay nating integrated food complex.
Mayor Galleta says this will help the municipality attain its goal of being a city. Based on House Bill 6288, a city may only be created if the income of a municipality is at least 100 million pesos. Mayor Galleta says Sariaya's income may reach about 115 million pesos in 2023. Currently, Lucena and Tayabas are the only cities in Quezon Province. EJ Gomez, CNN Philippines.